Good day to all. I'm Divashni. I'm 11 years old and a 5 from STKT Kampung Baru Batu Batang. I'm going to tell you a story entitled My Hero Is You. The story tells how kids can fight COVID-19. Sarah's mom is a hero because she's the best mom and the best scientist in the world. But even Sarah's mom cannot find a cure for the coronavirus. What does COVID-19 look like? Sarah asked her mom, COVID-19 or the coronavirus is so tiny we can't see it. Says her mom, but it spreads in the cough and sneezes of people who are sick and then when they touch people or things around them. People who are sick get fever and cough and can have some trouble breathing. So we can't fight it because we can't see it. Sarah asks, we can fight it, says mom. Sarah's mom, that's why I need you to be safe, Sarah. The virus affects many kinds of people and everyone can help us fight it. Children are special and they can help too. You need you safe for all of us. I need you to be my hero, says Sarah's mom. Sarah laid on bed that night and did not feel like a hero at all. She felt upset. Sarah wanted coronavirus to stop scaring world. Sarah's closing her eyes to sleep. What do I have? Suddenly, a gently voice was spread her name in the darkness. Who there? Sarah was back. What do you need to name in the Sarah? The voice asked her. I need a way to tell the children in the world how to protect themselves to the can protect everyone else, says Sarah. So what do you need me to be? The voice asked. I need something that can fly, something with a big voice, and something that can help with a wash, and something amazing speed into the moonlight. What are you? Gasped Sarah. I'm Ario, she said. I've never seen an Ario before, says Sarah. Well, I've been here long, says the world about coronavirus, says Sarah. I can be a hero, but wait, Ario, is it safe to travel with the coronavirus around? Only with me, Sarah, says Ario. Nothing can harm you when we are together. So Sarah jumped on Ario's back, and together Sarah approached a bedroom window into the night sky, the floor and the stars, and says hello to the moon. As the sun rose, they land a lovely dressed by pyramid. We are small group of children. We are playing. The children cried out in joy and walked into the Sarah area. Welcome, I'm Salim. Cried on the boys. What are you doing here? Sorry, we can't come closer. We have to stay last 1 meter away. That's why I need you. Sarah called back. I'm Sarah and this is Ario. Did you know that children can keep their loved ones safe from the coronavirus? We all need to wash our hands with soap and water, says Salim with a smile. We know, Sarah. We also couch into elbows. We are stick and wave to people inside of shaking hand. We try to stay inside, but we live a very crowded city. Not everybody is staying home. Ario flew into the sky with Salim and Sarah on both of his wings, which 1 meter apart. She flew across the city and began to roar. Go, staying home. People were amazed by what they saw. They wanted and a crowd to going into houses. Ario screwed night in the sky. Finally, they completed their mission to create and visit amazing people around them. Ario decorated them all back in their homes. You are my hero, Sarah whispered. You are my hero, says Sarah while asleep. The next day, she ran to her mom with a drawing to tell her news. "Oh, Sarah, you are right," says her mom. "There are many houses keeping people safe from the coronavirus, like wonderful doctors, nurses, police officers, teachers, and many more of us. Front hero is you." Sarah's hug is a hero, joyful. Thank you for the listening.